What's up, risk managers? My name is NASDAQ Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. Today was a good day, emphasizing the importance of thorough analysis, creating a trading plan, executing that plan, and with a focus on risk management, I locked in another profitable day. Let's go over those trades now. So this is the price action for Friday, January 26th. This yellow line right here is the 21 EMA. This red line is the 50 EMA. This gray line is 200 EMA. And this sky blue line is VWAP. Now, as you can see, price opened up and began to trend down, creating this trend line. Around 3 a.m., price found support, making a strong move, breaking this trend line, retesting the 21 EMA, another strong move, and a retest of this prior supply. And as you can see, price swept the liquidity above this high and began to trend down. Now, as price trended down, me and my trading partner, we called for this area right here to where price can possibly find demand. And once price got down to 510, 508, this is where I took my first long entry. The reason why I was so confident in this area, for one, this is the same area where price broke this area right here. And in the past, price has been finding support at this 510, 508 area. So I was confident that this would work. If I was wrong, I was willing to stop out around 590 at the top of this range. But fortunately for me and my position, this was a winner. I rolled this position up until 590 at the top of this previous range. I wanted to ride it up to 620, but because I hit daily loss limit previously, I only had one contract and I didn't have any room to add extra risk. So I had to actually close out this position and profit. And I did hate seeing the market continue higher. Me and my trading partner, we did discuss that price could possibly get to 650, 660, and at the most 670. But price would have to break this high, a strong close above it, a retest of this high. And once I saw that retest, then I would have been confident that price was heading higher. But as you can see, price moved above it and it dipped right back down and it sold off, creating a strong move away from this area. And as you can see, price found support in this same area, 510, making a low at 504. It made a two-legged pullback into this area right here. And once it tapped into this liquidity, price trended down for the rest of the session. Now, my outlook for price next week, if the bulls cannot defend this area and cannot defend this area down here, I believe price can actually get back to around 385 in this area, because all these stops underneath these areas right here can definitely propel the market lower. But let's talk about if the bulls do defend this area or they defend this area. We have a lot of volatility next week. We have big tech earnings. We have FOMC. So next week, anything can happen. But my bias right now is to the downside. The reason that I say my bias is to the downside is because price has just been stair-stepping down. Price has been in a downtrend since we touched 750. Ever since we sold off from 750, price has been making small retracements and selling off. And I do believe that we do have more room for downside. Next week will tell the tale. We don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. And if you trade what you see and have trust in it, you will most likely find yourself on the right side of the market. So this is where I'm ending the day at. As you can see, I realized about $2,100 in profit. I took 4 trades, and these are the trades that I took today. This trade right here was a break-even trade. I wasn't confident initially in a position that I took, so I did take the break-even. But once I saw the market moving in the direction that I wanted it to move, I did actually take more trades. So this is it. But that's all I have. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want insight on trading the NASDAQ intraday, subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community, and if you're tired of missing the best trades on the NASDAQ, then join our live stream, join our community, and join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is NASDAQ Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.